Thinking about buying a Tesla? Let's cut through the marketing and discuss the real world experience of Tesla ownership in 2025. We'll cover the unexpected costs, the quirks that can drive you crazy, and the everyday surprises that new owners often face. Owning a Tesla is a unique experience, blending cutting edge technology with a few compromises you need to know about beforehand. The base price of a Tesla, ranging from $40,000 to $70,000, is just the beginning of the ownership costs. Factor in home charger installation, which costs $1,000 to $2,000 and is essential for convenient charging. Supercharger subscriptions can add up, costing $200 per year for access to Tesla's fast charging network. Tesla batteries are generally reliable, but a replacement can cost $10,000 to $15,000 after 8 to 10 years, although warranties often cover this expense. Also, insurance premiums for Teslas are high, averaging $3,000 to $5,000 annually, due to repair costs and claim history. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features are impressive technological achievements, but they're not perfect. Autopilot helps with steering, acceleration, and braking on highways, while full self-driving aims for complete autonomy. However, users often encounter quirks that can be surprising or concerning. Phantom braking refers to unexpected hard stops, while lane changes can happen unpredictably. Despite improvements in FSD Supervised version 12, it still requires constant driver supervision. Recent case studies highlight that over-reliance on these systems can lead to accidents. Always stay alert and be ready to take control at any moment. Tesla claims 300 to 400 miles of range, but real-world figures are often lower, around 200 to 300 miles. Several factors can reduce your actual range, including vehicle specifications, environmental conditions like weather and terrain, and driving habits such as speed and braking. Tesla's supercharger network is extensive with over 50,000 stations, but supercharging anxiety is a real issue, especially on long trips where you worry about finding available chargers. Supercharging fees are rising, averaging 50 cents per kilowatt-hours in the US. Tesla uses different port designs in Europe and the US, which can be confusing. Non-Tesla chargers can be incompatible or much slower than Tesla's superchargers, as shown in comparisons with other EV brands. To avoid charging issues, plan your routes carefully using Tesla's navigation tools. Teslas have a distinctive minimalist interior design that some owners love for its clean look, while others find it lacking in practical features. Early models even lacked basic amenities like cup holders, which surprised many buyers accustomed to traditional cars. Beyond design, the Tesla experience is heavily reliant on software, which can lead to occasional surprises. Be prepared for glitches like random reboots or touchscreen freezes. In fact, a major recall in 2024 affected over 1.2 million vehicles due to touchscreen issues. For better or worse, software drives the entire Tesla ownership experience, creating both innovative features and occasional challenges that owners should be aware of. Maintenance and repairs for Teslas carry what owners call the Tesla tax. While these electric vehicles eliminate the need for oil changes, other repair costs can be surprisingly high. Bodywork repairs are particularly complex and often require specialized technicians who are trained specifically for Tesla vehicles. This complexity contributes to higher insurance rates for Tesla owners compared to traditional vehicles. According to a 2025 NADA report, Tesla owners spend 30% more on repairs than the average electric vehicle owner. Overall, be prepared for potentially higher maintenance costs with a Tesla compared to a traditional gasoline car. Tesla's resale value generally holds up well, depreciating less than gasoline cars. This strong resale value is one of the advantages of Tesla ownership compared to traditional vehicles. However, battery degradation is a factor to consider for long-term ownership. A real example shows a 2020 Model S owner experiencing 20% capacity loss after 150,000 miles, requiring an expensive $8,000 replacement. Newer battery technology, like the 4680 cells, promises longer life for future Tesla models. However, battery health remains an important long-term consideration for current owners. Keep an eye on battery health as your Tesla ages to ensure optimal performance over time. Tesla is increasingly moving towards a subscription-based model, with services like full self-driving and supercharging access becoming monthly or annual subscriptions. This shift makes vehicle ownership more about access than possession, providing flexibility but requiring ongoing payments. As Elon Musk has stated, ownership will evolve to be more about access than possession. While convenient for staying current with technology, this creates vendor lock-in, making you heavily reliant on Tesla's ecosystem for updates, services, and compatibility. This ecosystem includes integrated products like solar panels, energy storage, and even robotaxis, creating a comprehensive network that's hard to leave. The convenience comes at the cost of being tied to one vendor's decisions and pricing. Looking ahead, the Cybercab network, slated for 2026 to 2027, could further transform how we think about car ownership by offering autonomous ride-hailing services. This represents the ultimate shift from personal ownership to shared access. Be mindful of this trend as Tesla ownership evolves, weighing the benefits of cutting-edge technology against the risks of ecosystem dependency.